Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing off some secret website that is going to be making you $100 per day. I believe you want this for yourself. And watch this video to the end. Do not miss one step of this video so that you're going to see how you're going to make $100 per day using the method I'm going to be giving you in this video. So if this connotes to what you want, keep watching this video and let's show you the secret website. And note, this website is for those that are interested in affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing for beginners, then stick to this video and keep watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video out. Thank you. So tech lovers, on this channel, we give you tips on how to make money online legitimately. My name is Bunmi, and watch this video to the end to learn how to make $100 daily on this topic I'm going to be giving you. It's a secret website, and I'm going to be reviewing the website to us very soon. In this video, I'll be talking about GetResponse. Okay, I'll be giving us ways that you can make money using GetResponse, $100 daily. As we all know, GetResponse is an email marketing tool software that you can apply for without, even if you don't have a website, you can use it and you will start earning money. But the method I'm going to be giving us today is a different one. So email marketing is a very wild and very broad topic, okay? But with the method I'm going to be using this in today's video, go to my link, sign up for your own GetResponse, okay? Get started with your own link to spread around to people so that you can earn $100 per day. Without signing up for GetResponse, you're not going to get the benefit of what I'm going to be teaching us today. So go use my link in my description to get started. Okay, now let's dive straight to my system to show you the secret I want to tell you about GetResponse. So this is my GetResponse platform. Okay, this is how it's going to look like, right? And as you can see, you are part of the affiliate marketing ecosystem. Our affiliate marketing platform empowers you with all the tools, content, and selling guides you need to create a successful affiliate campaign. Okay, so now I already signed up for one affiliate, which is the recurring affiliate program. So there are two ways you can use to sign up as an affiliate here. So it's your choice. Okay, and as you can see, we have affiliate bountiful program and affiliate recurring program. Okay, for the affiliate bountiful program, you earn $100 per day, which we're going there to. Then it said, how much can I earn? There are no limits on how much you can earn. The more referrals that convert through the affiliate link, the more you will earn. We pay a 33% recurring commission or $100 one-time commission, depending on the program. Okay, and this is how you get paid. When will I get paid? You get paid through your PayPal account. Okay, so you have to get your PayPal account, and the payment time is around 20th of each month for verified sales from the previous month. Okay, for the bounty program, we pay commission within 30 days after a 60-day sales verification program. For both programs, you must exceed minimum threshold of $50 to receive your payment. Okay, so now we want to sign up for this bounty program. Okay, so I'm going to join it now. There's a note that came here: welcome to the GetResponse Affiliate Bounty program. And Oluwabunmi, as you can see, you will get 100 because I applied for the first one. They sent me a message. You will get $100 for each paying user for bringing a GetResponse to one award. Okay, so now we join the program. So now I already joined the program because I already signed up for a previous link. So it said I should go to copy your link, your referral link from the dashboard, and add it to your website or messages. So this is my bounty. As I just signed up now, there's no money showing here. I've not earned any money, but I'm going to earn money. Okay. So as you can see, this is the bountiful account. This is my two um affiliate link, the recurring program and the bountiful program. But we are going to be using this bounty program link to make money. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link, okay, because I don't want to miss it. I'm going to put it in my notepad. Okay, I'm going to delete this notepad and I'm going to put my link here. Put my link here. Okay, so my next step is to come to answerthepublic.com. Okay, and since I'm talking about email marketing, I want to sell email marketing affiliate link. I want to sell it to the public, so I'm going to come to answerthepublic.com and click on email marketing. You can sign up for the free version. Okay, I'll click on email marketing and I'm going to click on search. So as you can see, it brought out this for me. It says 22,200 good. Like, let me scroll down. Okay, and we have 130 questions. As you can see, we have 130 questions. So from this 130 questions, we're going to choose one question from it. Okay, we're going to choose which email marketing is the best. Okay, which email marketing is the best, or where to learn email marketing. There are several questions like this, and you can even write articles on all this type of questions. You can pick the questions one by one and write articles on it. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do next. Okay, so stick to this channel or to this video to the end. So I'm going to choose one. Which email marketing service is the best, or what is email marketing? It's very tricky. Let's just choose one for the purpose of this video. Okay, so now let's write which marketing email is best. Which marketing email is best. So now we're going to go to ChatGPT. That's our next site. We'll go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT. If you are new on ChatGPT, just sign up for ChatGPT. It's free to use. Then I'm going to come to this email. I'll click on the topic I want to write. Which marketing email is best? Okay. Then I'm going to come to ChatGPT and I'm going to write generate an article of 500 words on what marketing marketing email. Let me see the question again. What marketing email is best? Is best. Include get response. Include get response. Okay. Then I click on enter. As you can see, it's giving me the power of email marketing. Why get response is the best, and as you can see, it's giving me the write up. It's giving me the article. So it's giving us conclusion. So I'm going to take this write up, right? I'm going to paste it in my notepad. I'll paste it on my notepad. First of all, I'm going to put the topic here. Okay, let's go to my notepad. Notes. I'm going to leave space here. That's our affiliate link. I'll come to my notepad. This is my topic and the write up. I'm going to come here and I'm going to copy. Okay, I'll copy it and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to do some adjustments here. I'll be right back. So tech lovers, I'm going to copy this right up here, right? I'll copy this right up here to avoid plagiarism, right? I'll copy this right up here and I will copy, right? And I will come to this Quillbot AI. Okay, it's an AI that will paraphrase and avoid plagiarism, right? So I'm going to put my words here, right? I will accept this. Then I'll put my words here and I'll paste it. Okay. Then I will tell Quillbot to paraphrase it for me. As you can see, it has paraphrased for me. I'm going to copy this I'll copy this right up, right? And I'm going to put it on my Medium account. I'll paste it on my Medium account. This is my Medium account. I'll sign up to my Medium account. Sign it to my Medium account. I have a Medium account. And I'm going to write my, put up my write up here. Then I'm going to paste it here, right? As you can see, we have it written here. I'll paste it on my Medium account. Medium is free. Then I can change this topic, right? This is using email marketing to a full potential. So I can click on this and copy and paste as my subject topic. Okay, paste as my subject topic. So this is my write-up. Remember, we put our link, affiliate link here. So I'm going to click on my affiliate link. I'm going to click on my affiliate link. This is my affiliate link here. And you can post it on other blogs if you have. I'm going to copy this and I'm come back to my Medium account and I'm going to spread it around. This is a GetResponse. I'll put my link here, paste, right? I will just spread it around, GetResponse. I will put my link here. Let me spread my link around so that this video will not be long as usual. I can put it at the beginning of this video too. Okay, at the beginning of this write-up, I'll just spread it around the link, right? And I will scroll down. Let me just do it. I don't want this video to be too long. I will be back, okay? So this is just purpose for this training. I can make it more, I can add more words to it. So I added pictures and I added my links. Okay, as you can see, anybody that reads this thing and is interested can click on this link and sign up and they will get their, I will get my commission of $100, okay? And I will publish it. So when you publish it, right? But when you publish it, you can take this link on Medium, right? And you come to Quora and you can ask any questions on email marketing. Email marketing, okay? You can search for questions about email marketing, right? So these are questions on email marketing. So you can decide to answer this question, right? By copying by copy, you can do copy and paste, right? Of what you wrote here. You can do copy and paste and put it on your Quora account. Okay, so whoever click on your link, I won't be going into that. If you want to know more about Quora, you can watch my full videos on how to use Quora for your affiliate marketing. I'm not dwelling in it in this video. So you answer the question and you paste it, you put pictures on it and you insert your link, and that is how, and you click on post, and that is how you have to be doing it consistently. You have to do it at least in a day. You must answer like 10 to 20 questions in a day about email marketing. These are the free ways of traffic you can make money with affiliate marketing. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials and let me know if you're going to be trying this method. Comment below. Do not forget to use my GetResponse link to sign up for your own GetResponse so that you can get started with your affiliate link and start making $100 per day. Okay. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share out this video. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please encourage me, share this video out, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.